Hello and welcome to Nexus Digital's Marketing Minute. My name is Brady, and in today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through the process of setting up and creating a Facebook Business Manager account. Now remember, this is a video, so at any point, please pause, rewind, and go back to make sure you do not miss any steps along the way. With that said, let's get started. Okay, first things first, you're going to open up your browser. You're going to go to business.facebook.com. And in the top right hand corner, you can see a blue button that says create an account. You're going to want to click on that blue button. And here, Facebook's going to ask you to verify your identity through your personal Facebook account. If you don't have one, click on the green button, or otherwise click on the blue. You may be prompted to go through an extra security measure from your phone. And as you can see here in the top right hand corner, my picture's there. I've been verified. You're going to want to click on that create account button again. And here you're going to input your company information. This will be the name of your business manager. So I'm just going to put in Nexus Digital Test because we already have an account. My name's automatically prompted inside, and underneath you're going to put in your email address. And it's important to realize that this is not the email address that's linked to your Facebook profile. This is your company email that's linked to your company domain. And after that, you're going to want to click on the blue submit button. And from here, you're going to be redirected to the home screen for the Business Manager. I'd highly recommend clicking on the hamburger menu at the top or the gearbox along the bottom to open up all tools and go to your business settings section. This will have a complete layout of all of the tools and assets that exist for you in the Business Manager, including people that you're going to add from your company, any agency partners you're going to include, your account information for your Facebook pages, your ad accounts, your Instagram accounts, your data source section, which will have your catalog, which would be your inventory feed or product feed for any e-commerce, your Facebook pixel for any conversion tracking. And then you're gonna have your brand safety section. And this is a new aspect of the Business Manager for your domain. Due to new Facebook policies, you're gonna have to verify your domain through your Facebook Manager with a tiny snippet of code. Any integrations like Facebook leads, which are actually integrated in the back end of your Facebook page, your business information, and at the bottom you're gonna see the setup guide. Now this is probably the best way to start things out once you first log in. It has the three main components you're initially gonna want to include or start adding at the very beginning, including your Facebook page. And what you're gonna do is gonna claim that page, so click on the button. And here you can paste in the URL of your Facebook page, or as the admin or owner of the page, you should be able to start typing it in. It should automatically prompt. As you can see here, there's a bit of an error message, and that's because our Facebook page has already been claimed by our Business Manager, and that's okay. So just click on that Add Page button. And after you've claimed your page, we're gonna start scrolling down to the bottom. We're just gonna start adding some people or some team members to our account. You can add their email address at the top. Now again, remember this is their company email address and not the address that's linked to their own personal Facebook profile. And I highly encourage you to use the prompts that are available as an employee or as an admin. As an admin, that person will be able to have full control over your Business Manager, and there may be a bunch of assets that a certain team member employee doesn't need to have. If someone's doing any billing or invoicing, you're going to want to add them as a finance editor in the advanced section. And likewise, if someone is a developer, you want to give them that access as well. And then you're going to want to click on the blue button that says next. And in this section here, you're actually going to be able to attach that individual person to specific assets or tools that exist in your Business Manager, from any page experiences, Facebook pages, ad accounts, Instagram accounts, and things of that nature. You just want to click next. And after you've added some users or some people to the Business Manager, we're going to go and create an ad account. So open and click at that ad account, and you're going to want to name your ad account after your company just to avoid any kind of confusion. And you're going to want to also include the appropriate time zone and also the corresponding currency that you're going to be using, and then click next. After your ad account has been set up, you're going to want to scroll up along that menu on the left hand side to a pixel. We're going to quickly make a pixel by clicking the add button. Facebook will pull in the name of your company that's associated with your business manager name. I'm just going to put in test again here, just so there's no confusion. You're going to want to include the domain of your company website. And what this will do will allow Facebook to crawl and look for any events or conversion tools that you may want to use. If you use a third-party tool like Google Tag Manager, Facebook easily integrates with any of those. Otherwise, you're going to have to put a small snippet of code onto your website. And lastly, we're going to create your Instagram or link your Instagram account. This operates or functions a little bit differently, but it's a one-time setup. And because you signed in with your personal account, you may automatically be prompted to your personal Instagram account. So you're just going to click on that Switch Accounts button. You're going to put in your company information for your business Instagram account and just click Log In. And there you have it. And there you go. You have successfully set up and created your own Facebook Business Manager account. Now, for any other tips and tricks, feel free to visit us online at nexusdigital.co and check out our blog and resource section, or feel free to visit us online on any of our social media channels to connect, communicate, and find out what's going on in the world of digital marketing. Thanks a lot, and we will see you next time.